we are going to be drawing the collector from Owl House. So, you know, this guy right. Ah, whatever. Alright, this is gonna be difficult to work around because my arms are pretty far away from the drawing as they should be. So, by what I'm seeing, it's already like an oval-like kind of shape, so what we're going to do is we're going to try and... Alright, actually never mind. It's actually quite a normal shape. Alright, notice he has a small chin. So, like that. Then we got the head down. Alright. Now we do his eyes, which I noticed that his eyes are actually quite large. In fact, I am really questioning on whether, you know, whatever. And they didn't line up. Alright. So then we got his eyes down. And his hair, by looking at it. Now, the top of his head kind of looks like similar to a... I don't know how to describe it. I thought I could describe it as a rosebud, but I guess it could be interpreted in different ways. But kind of like a flower of some sort. And then let's work our way down to here. And then I notice that his hair kind of goes off like that, and then up there. Or their hair, I do not know, and honestly, I do not care. And we just do the same right there. There's his hair. Notice he's got a bit of a pointy nose. And a big, wide smile. And, of course, whatever. And then we're going to do his little cap. Put little dots for detail. And then we work our way to the neck. Which, okay, 3 minutes and 39 seconds, and we already got so much. Okay. So, his body is kind of like an oblong trapezoid shape. So we're going to use that as our base. And for his arm, since they're mostly in robes, kind of looks like almost a lemon kind of thing. And then for here we can put the outlining of his robe there. Kind of draw these triangle suns. And then down here, like so. And then we can do the hand. Square, there's the thumb. Kind of angle it outward. And then we just, guess, curve his fingers like that. And by the looks of it, he has all 5, okay. And there we go. And then for this other one, kind of looks like a pair of mountains on the side. And then it's moons. Next is his amulets, which I guess is something like that. I'm not going to go into detail too much. And then we are going to just draw the necklace. And then we're tilting. We're tilting. Alright, we're gonna go right here. And then what we're going to do is kind of give him his collar. There we go. And then I noticed that he kind of has a oh, forgot about that part. Kind of has a Harvey Two-Face thing going on with his outfit, where one side is darker than the other. And for his legs, we're just gonna draw like some simple little stubs right here. And then these. Oh yeah. And then we just work our way down to the shoes. Those are some long angles. Let's break them. Alright. And I guess what we do is we put one ball here and one ball here. And then curve this part. Then up here, and like so. So we got a little bit of a shoe shape, and then curve up right there, and then go right there, and then there. And yeah, we have our collector. Anyway, I hope you all paid attention to this drawing tutorial, because now it is time to ink it in. Alright. Just working on his shoes. Alright. Now that we got the drip down, we're going to erase all the sketch lines and, you know. And there. We have our collector. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and thank you for watching.